Only that fall and fall for you, for you.
The eye, a delicate, light-sensitive window to the world. In the dark, everything is hidden. There is nothing but empty blackness. And in total light, the eye is blinded by glaring white. A world of dark and light lies between these two extremes. These beautiful variations of light and dark we call value. In nature, light and dark, or value, occurs in two major ways. First, there is light, as from the sun, dazzling and bright at noon, dark at night. Or in between variations, created by light-filtering clouds, and the mellow, rich light of sundown. In addition to light variations, nature varies the dark and light of objects themselves in astonishing ways. So, dark and light variations are found within the object, and also from light falling on objects. Both kinds of dark and light may provide inspiration for artists. Since art is not imitative, man creates freely with darks and lights, which are made up of colors that are dark, medium, and colors that are light. Shapes of light and shapes of dark, as in this imaginative painting. Patterns of light and dark, and textures, which are surface variations in dark and light. And finally, lines that may be both light or dark. Discoveries of dark and light can be made every day. Now let us see how values are created with paint. This is black, the darkest value. And this is white, the lightest value. See what happens when black is added to white. A small amount of black darkens the white. It becomes light gray. More black gives us a darker value of gray. Gradual changes from dark to light can be made by blending black and white. These chalks are arranged from dark to light, step by step, in a value scale. Think of differences in value as notes on a music scale. The more notes, the greater the variety. Value changes can also be made in color. A small amount of white added to orange mixes to a medium value. and more white gives us a pale light value. Many light values can be found in nature. And to darken color, black is added. Here is warm color, varying from light to the darks of shadows. A step-by-step value scale can also be made with color, going from dark to light. In addition to changing the value of any color by mixing, notice that pure colors are in themselves of different values. Yellow is the lightest value. Orange and red are medium values. Green, blue, and purple are dark in value. In art, we learn to mix, select, create light, middle, or dark colors to gain value richness. For inspiration, the artist may turn to the many dark and light variations found in nature. There is beauty in light objects and in dark objects. Darks and lights in the same object are sometimes combined in beautiful ways. They may be abrupt. The dark green head against the sudden light ring creates sharp contrast. Or the changes may be gradual, as in the close values of these pearly gray feathers. Bold contrasting shapes are found in this amusing bird called a puffin. In addition to the dark and light of the object itself, remember there is another kind of dark and light created by the way light falls on surfaces. When light falls on rounded surfaces, gradual changes of light to shadow occur. When light falls on surfaces having abrupt changes in direction, sudden lights and strong shadows are created. Look for shadows, a source of great variety in shapes of dark. Notice how deep folds catch shadow and how rising folds catch the light. In this Flemish painting, we can see great interest in folds of clothing. This print by the 15th century artist Albrecht Dürer shows a loving attention to the effects of light and shadow on hands, the folds of clothing, and the head. When drawing with pencils or crayons, variations in dark and light can be made by differences in pressure. When surfaces are uneven, variations in depth produce shadows. Shallow carving in stone creates delicate shadows, as in this Assyrian bas-relief. Sculpture is the art of shaping forms and surfaces to catch light in different ways. The low portions catch darks, The high portions catch the light. The sculptor plans his work for play of light on varying surfaces. In this Japanese folk art, the artist has created an amusing tiger with value contrasts of black, white, and color. In all the visual arts, we avoid disorder by organizing, selecting, and grouping darks and lights to create our own harmonies. This requires inventing with dark and light. Artists do not copy exactly what they see. They invent after careful observation. No matter how entertaining nature may be, we should imagine and invent to create freer and finer art. Now let us see how we create value contrast. It may be dark against light, light against dark, or close values which produce little contrast. Contrast means differences. In this case, differences in value. The difference may be extreme or strong, such as dark shapes against very light. Strong contrast is used in art to emphasize objects, shapes, and edges. It commands attention. Or the difference may be medium, gentle value contrast, such as gray on gray, giving a feeling of richness. When there is little contrast, there are very slight differences in value, creating quiet and rest. To avoid monotony in value, artists often use small darks as accent, such as feet and eyes in this print. And gradual changes in value from dark to light lead the eye easily from part to part. Artists discover beautiful values through careful observation. From their observations, they create a world of dark and light in their art. All periods of art show distinctive and imaginative use of light and dark. Primitive, Egyptian, Greek, Roman, Byzantine painting, medieval mosaic is rich in value. Rembrandt painted people in dramatic, glowing light. And Daumier often used strong, contrasting values. Then, moving to the art of today, we find imaginative use of value in non-figurative painting, either free or controlled. This collage by Kurt Schwitters, made of pieces of paper, is carefully composed, dark and light. The objects designed by artists today show an interest in materials of different values. White porcelain, warm, rich values of clay with glazes of dark and light, the values of woven fibers and in printed fabrics, the parts of mobile sculpture may vary in value. And in architecture, the placing of windows and moldings create dark and light interest. So, our daily visual world provides a rich variety of darks and lights and all the values in between. Great art of all cultures reveals imaginative use of dark and light. True creative artists never imitate the world about them. Note how inventive the dark and light has become in this painting by Rufino Tamayo. Imaginative artists look. They invent freely with dark and light, controlling the values of shapes, the values of colors, lines, patterns, and textures, to emphasize and accent with dark or light, and to create the desired mood through value. Expand your seeing power by discovering the world of dark and light.
Now